Do you have 1,000 different ways you could use a really powerful handheld duster? I sought this out in particular because I got this new beautiful Corvette, which I want to keep it really clean, but you can't go in there wiping and doing chemicals in there. You need to keep it clean, and being able to blow the dust and dirt out will be a fabulous value add. And I'm going to show you how it works at that. Let's do that. But first, another thing came to light. Obviously, this is great on electronics, but I'm also a content creator, right? I was just out shooting with the drone, which I crashed in the dirt, as well as the RC truck and the DJI camera. What do you say we unbox this? I'll show you what it's like. We'll use it to clean that stuff off, and then we'll take it in the Corvette and make sure that it actually does clean the dust and debris out the way I expected. All right, let's give it a shot. Check out how nice it is in the packaging. You got the unit itself. It comes with a bag, charging cable, a couple different light brushes, as well as different adapters for inflating things like air mattresses and beds, that kind of stuff. I think we're gonna use the long sprayer because I want like a tight, high-powered spray. Let's check that out. Look at how small this thing is. You got a power button on the back. You turn it on. Gives you an indicator about the power. Wow, that is so cool. Like I can feel it move in my hand. All right, enough, that's silly. All right, let's change the sprayers between the wide sprayer and the narrow sprayer. Let's do this ASMR style, ready? I need some fingernails. Click, 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 click. Like that ASMR style. Let's see if it works on that drone. This is very important because again, drone's kind of fragile yet durable. You don't want to really be scrubbing things. You don't want to really be pushing on things. And you don't want your wife to see the dirty freaking mess you made out of the drone playing with RC cars, right? How cool is that? Good to go. All right, let's try it on the Corvette. Before we go with the Corvette, let's try getting all the dirt that I got in the truck while doing RC cars out. Just for kicks, I found an easy target. Real world, see all the dust and stuff on here, that it would be very hard to get a rag in here and get everything clean, but I want my car clean, right? Okay, I don't know if you could see on camera, but there's dust flying everywhere. I probably should have opened the windows before I did this or put the roof down or something, but I just really wanted you to see. I mean, look at the difference. I guess because it's a convertible, it gets all dusty, dirty in here, so this is absolutely huge for that. There's no way I'm getting in here on any kind of manual level, right? So this way I can just blow it all out. Okay, so this is absolutely freaking cool. Perfect for that. The electronics, it worked amazing. Inside the car, it worked amazing. I am sure if you wanted to inflate an inflatable bed, it will work equally as amazing. Ridiculously cool. You cannot possibly go wrong with this. This is a freaking winner and a half, especially if you're gonna get it as a gift for that guy in your life. He's gonna really like that. Anyway, there's a link here on the screen and down below. Both work the same way. Neither one's gonna cost you any extra money, and there's probably a pretty good deal there. If I've added some value to this conversation, remember to like the video, follow the channel, smash that hype feature if we're here on YouTube, and if you have any questions or thoughts on it, actually, if you have other use cases, put them in the comments. I want to see how else other people would be using something like this. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next video.